Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your FLEXAFIT age subscription or membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, you can cancel your subscription only platform where you have originally purchased. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you, this is the method. In this video I'm going to provide you 3 to 4 methods by which you can easily cancel your subscription. So the first method for online users on their official website, where if you have taken your subscription on their official website. Okay, so you need to log in into your account and you need to click on your profile icon and you need to select account settings and then you need to select manage subscription option. Okay, and then you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, and if you have taken your subscription on Android, in that case you need to open your app, you can Play Store. You need to tap on your profile, you need to select payment and subscription. Now you need to select subscription. Now you need to select your FLEXAFIT app and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your FLEXAFIT Edge subscription on iOS, in that case you need to open your iPhone settings, you need to tap on Apple ID, you need to select subscription, you need to select your app which you want to cancel, like FLEXAFIT app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So by using this way you can easily cancel your FLEXAFIT subscription. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.